Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare love old versus new. We'll dive into the fascinating evolution of romantic relationships, exploring how the very fabric of love has transformed. From the way we meet and communicate to our expectations and commitments, so much has shifted. We'll uncover the key distinctions that define love across different eras, giving you a clearer picture of its enduring yet ever-changing nature. Get ready to explore the heart of human connection. In traditional relationships, commitment was often seen as the cornerstone, with couples frequently aiming for lifelong partnerships. Communication was a more deliberate process, relying heavily on personal visits or heartfelt letters, fostering a deeper, slower connection. There was a strong emphasis on shared values and community involvement. Relationships often progressed through well-defined stages, with family approval playing a significant role in many unions. This approach often cultivated a profound sense of security and shared history. Today, love often embraces a wider spectrum of forms, with individuals prioritizing personal growth and happiness. Digital communication, through apps and social media, allows for instant and constant connection, sometimes leading to quicker relationship development. Dating pools are vastly expanded, offering more choices but also new complexities. While commitment remains important, there's often a greater emphasis on individual freedom and adapting to evolving needs. This era of love is dynamic, fast-paced, and highly personalized. Ultimately, while the expressions of love have evolved dramatically, the fundamental human need for connection, intimacy, and companionship remains constant. Whether through handwritten notes or instant messages, the desire to share our lives with another endures. The key difference lies in the tools and societal frameworks that shape our romantic journeys. Embracing these changes, while holding onto timeless values like respect and trust, allows us to build meaningful relationships in any era. Love, in its essence, continues to adapt and thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.